In this video, we will cover what Solana is, who created it, why it is a disruptive technology, Solana NFTs, and some more technical data. Don't worry, as always, we will do our best to keep it as simple as possible so that even your grandma can understand it. Are you ready? Then let's dive into it. Solana is a blockchain platform that is used to power decentralized applications, or dApps. It's like a big digital playground where developers can build their own games, tools, and apps that run on its own rules, without any centralized control. And the best part? The playground has a built-in snack bar that provides yummy virtual treats in the form of cryptocurrency, aka Sol tokens. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but with code. Okay, that's nice, but who founded it? Solana was founded by Anatoly Yakovenko in 2017. Anatoly Yakovenko is a software engineer and entrepreneur who is best known for founding Solana. Prior to starting Solana, Yakovenko was a software engineer and technical lead at Qualcomm, where he worked on various projects including the development of mobile processors and basebands. He has also co-founded a few other companies in the tech industry. Now, let's look at the technology behind Solana and why it is so disruptive. Perhaps the biggest reasons is that it is very fast, and when I say very fast, I really mean it. To put it in perspective, Solana has a block time of 400 milliseconds. When you compare it to Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's really mind-blowing. Ethereum has a block time of 10 seconds, and Bitcoin has a block time of 10 minutes. While they are still relatively fast if compared to the standard timings of a normal bank transfer, which can take even 3 business days, when millions of transactions are made on a daily basis, it really makes a lot of difference. Talking about transactions, Solana can handle around 700,000 transactions per second. Comparing it to Visa, which can sustain around 23,000 transactions per second, is like comparing the speed of a cheetah with the speed of a sloth. You get my point, it's very fast. Another amazing aspect is that not only is it fast, it's also very cheap. Solana's transaction fees are around 0.000005 SOL, and with Solana trading at around $22, it means 0.00011 cent per transaction. You tell me if that is not mind-blowing. The next concept we're going to talk about is the system they use. Most projects use either proof of work or proof of stake. Solana uses neither of them. Its founder claims that they use proof of history. Since this is not an easy concept to explain, I will try to do it in a fun way. Imagine you and your friends are playing a game of hide and seek. You're the seeker and you want to know when your friends started hiding so you can start counting. But since you're the seeker, you can't keep track of the time. Enter proof of history. It's like having an unbiased referee that uses a secret formula to record the exact moment each friend started hiding. By using this secret formula, you can later prove to everyone when each friend started hiding and make sure no one starts hiding before their turn. Now, whenever someone tries to cheat and hide early, they'll be caught red-handed thanks to the verifiable record created by proof of history. Just like that, proof of history ensures fairness and order in the game and helps you keep track of time in a secure and efficient way. On other blockchain, every different node that composes the blockchain has to communicate back and forth to make sure that they got the correct timing for a specific transaction. Proof of history eliminates this issue, therefore making the blockchain running faster and smoother. Now, let's talk about price and tokenomics. First of all, you might have noticed that Solana's price really skyrocketed in the past few years. In fact, when it first launched, it was listed at $0.87 according to CoinMarketCap. If we fast forward just a couple of years, we can see the price going all the way to almost $225. We're talking about its all-time high, of course. At the time we're recording this video, its price sits at around $22. Still not bad at all. What you might wonder is what made the price surge this much. The following are some of the major reasons. Number 1, adoption and usage growth. If more people are using the Solana network and its associated applications, this can lead to an increase in demand and thus a higher price. Number 2, positive news and partnerships. Positive news, such as partnerships with other companies, can create excitement among investors and drive up the price. Number 3, market sentiment. The overall sentiment of the cryptocurrency market can also affect the price of Solana. If there is a general positive sentiment, Investors may be more likely to buy and drive up the price. Number 4, investment inflows. If there is an increase in investment into Solana, this can also drive up the price. It's important to note that these are just some of the potential factors and not all of them may be relevant in each case. Additionally, cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile and subject to rapid fluctuations, so it's recommended to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved before making investment decisions. Another important aspect of Solana is the tokenomics. Solana's token is called SOL, and it's both inflationary and deflationary. But what does that mean specifically? It is deflationary because Solana burns around 50% of the commissions of every transaction. While it may seem like a waste, it is normally a very positive aspect to look for in a cryptocurrency project, since it's a great way to keep the price from inflating too much, since this would make the token too expensive, therefore making the Solana network useless. It is also inflationary since there are rewards for people who stake their tokens. Staking is like having a piggy bank, but instead of saving your money for a rainy day, you're helping secure a blockchain network in exchange for rewards. Just like a piggy bank, the more you deposit or stake your coins, the more rewards you'll receive in the form of new coins or tokens. Think of it like being a superhero. Instead of fighting crime, you're helping keep the blockchain network safe and secure by holding onto your coins and participating in the decision-making process. And as a reward, you'll get more coins to use for your next heroic act. So if you want to be a blockchain superhero and earn rewards while doing it, staking is the way to go. This is great, but let's see how many tokens exist. The total supply is 500 million SOL. It is worth noting that Solana sold the 36% of the total supply for the initial funding rounds. The price of a single SOL back then was 25 cents. This is important to keep in mind because it will most likely create a big selling pressure in the next months and years. Another 13% of the tokens are allocated to the founders and the team, which is pretty much aligned to other big blockchain projects. This will be all for today's video. Hopefully you learned something new, and if you did, consider sharing this video with a friend. See you again in the next video.